Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have a very nice tractor. This is going to be a 2022 Kubota BX2380. This tractor has just 67 hours on it. Tractor never had a loader on it. I put a brand new 2024 loader on it just last week. R14 tires, 60-inch belly mower deck, RCK, 60B, 23BX. Skid steer quick attach bucket, 48-inch bucket. This tractor is under full warranty until 11/9 of 2024, and then is going to have full powertrain warranty until 11/9 of 2028. So here you are buying a tractor with full warranty till November of this year, and it has full factory powertrain warranty. I should rephrase that. It has factory powertrain warranty, which is engine, transmission, hydraulics, until 11/9 of 2028. So here's a tractor that's got warranty, massive amount of savings compared to a brand new tractor. I don't have any financing options for you. If you're asking about that, I'll answer that question for you right there. Any questions like that, let me know. I'll gladly help you in anything else. Trucking, you want to come by and see us yourself in person, we're more than welcome to help you. We have serviced this tractor with all new filters and oils. It is done, ready to go. We're going to start you right underneath the hood. So again, this tractor is a 2022 BX2380 powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. We have changed all the filters and oils in this tractor. Everything is changed and ready to go to work. This tractor is very clean, very nice, and it's very right. I like stuff like this. There again, tractor has full warranty on it. I like stuff like that, it's easier for us to sell. Skid steer quick attach, 48-inch bucket, brand new, not used. Brand new loader on it. R14 tires. Fenders are beautiful. Folding roll bar. Top link. 540 PTO, Cat 1 3-point hitch. 60-inch mower deck. We'll check these here controls with you, right on the other side. 540 PTO in and out. You get your selection of PTO, mid and rear, or just rear. Joystick loader control. You can do that from the side, bud. We're training a new camera guy here. He's 11. He does a pretty good job. Some days you gotta tell him how it is. How about her, bud? 67 hours on the tractor. I'm gonna fire this tractor up. We're gonna run it around. We're gonna show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So we're going to get a low range, and we're going to put it in four-wheel drive, full-wheel drive out. Again, I like brand new tractor. That's low range. We're going to go ahead and we'll go to high. Again, tractor's under full warranty. Tilt wheel. Throw the deck in for you. Again, tractor never had a loader on it. I put a brand new loader on this tractor. Turn signals 4 ways, everything works the way it's supposed to. Again, 67-hour tractor, guys. Like new, any questions, 814-658-3066. Understand you are buying a tractor that has full warranty and does have balance at the end of the powertrain 2028. So again, any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.